to the sunshine that we're seeing in Alpine right now. What you can't see in this view is the wind that we are dealing with. Right now, we have winds out of the northeast, sustained at 24 miles per hour. Dew point temperature of 25 means it's very dry, and it certainly felt like that today. In fact, dew point temperatures are mostly in the 20s right now, a few teens. Temperatures are sitting in the 70s for most of the county right now. 69 in La Jolla, 60 in Warner Springs, 77 though in Oceanside and in El Cajon. So we're still dealing with those Santa Ana winds. All the red arrows, those indicate offshore winds. 12-mile-per-hour gusts in Poway right now, 34 at Big Black Mountain, 41 right now in the Alpine area. That's near Willows, so that is near Viejas, where the casino is. Temperatures are going to be warming quickly again tomorrow, almost as warm as today. We're mostly looking at mid-70s along our coastline. We will notice a few more clouds in the morning and then again in the evening, but during the day, it's going to be mostly sunny. Inland neighborhoods tomorrow, another day in the 80s. For the coast and valleys, we are trending about 5 to 10 degrees above normal for one more day, because things are going to change pretty abruptly on Thanksgiving. 60s in the mountains, and temperatures in the deserts are actually pretty close to normal in the mid-70s. So high pressure still sitting with us. Those offshore winds will continue through tomorrow, but they will be much weaker than what we experienced yesterday and today. So that is going to be the trend. So let me put 10News Futurecast into play, because I want to show you this cooler air that filters in for Thanksgiving and for our Friday. And this system actually is dipping a little bit farther south than it was looking just like yesterday. So I have introduced a very slight chance for some marine layer drizzle, maybe a few light showers overnight Thursday into Friday. And then heading into next week, temperatures will start to rebound a little bit, though not quite as warm as it was the last couple of days, or will be as warm as tomorrow. But we will be noticing some Santa Ana winds returning on Sunday. Along our coast, from the 80s and 70s to the 60s for high temperatures starting on Thanksgiving. You also notice more of those clouds, and then that very, very slight chance for a stray shower or two. Inland neighborhoods, we've been in the 80s. We're going to see another day in the 80s tomorrow. 70s return on Thursday, Thanksgiving, which is closer to normal. And then we're dipping down to the 60s Friday and Saturday before 70s start to return. Now for the mountain areas, not only do I want you to look at the daytime temperatures, because they're going to be quite a bit cooler in the 50s, but note those overnight temperatures. We're going to be seeing 30, so really cold nights coming up. And the desert area is not too bad. 70s most of the next 7 days.